Are you a new content creator like me and shooting alone with the camera has been a daunting task for you? Are you facing issues like achieving proper lighting, maintaining camera angles, and you've been continuously scrolling down for a perfect ring light that meets your creator needs? Then don't worry, gorgeous souls. I've got covered all your needs and all your queries. Welcome back to Tshangmo Vlogs, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel. And let's just dive in and unbox this RGB ring light with me. Let's see what's inside this box. It comes with a 45 mm ring diameter, making it easy to transport and use in a variety of settings. It comes with a screw, of course, to assemble the parts, a very sturdy adapter, and yes, a remote to change the settings, making it convenient to set it without having to move around. Then comes the stand, sturdy enough to hold this ring light. I'm not exactly the most tech-savvy person, and assembling electronics is definitely not my forte. In fact, I'm pretty clueless when it comes to putting together. Luckily, my hubby is a whiz with electronics, so I just asked him to lend me a hand, and with his expert guidance, we got everything up and smooth. Since the assembling part is done, now locate the power source, plug the USB cable into a power adapter. Now connect the ring light using the provided mount, and ta-da! You're ready. Once everything is connected, turn on and adjust the settings to your liking. You can typically adjust the brightness, color temperature, and lighting effects using the controls on the ring light or through the remote. With your RGB ring light, now you're ready to start capturing stunning photos and videos. With this 360-degree versatile phone mount, it becomes convenient to position your phone at the perfect angle, giving a complete control over the orientation of your phone. This remote typically features a range of buttons that enables you to customize the color, brightness, and effects of RGB lighting. I purchased this RGB light from a local shop in Siliguri for a price lower as compared to online. If you'd like to purchase it from the same shop, I'll provide the phone number in the description box below. Please feel free to contact the shop directly to inquire about their prices and availability. And that's a wrap for today's video, gorgeous souls. If you find the video informative, you know the drill. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for my next video. Till then, stay blessed, spread love and positivity. Bye-bye.